E E E free free free. I like listening to music in my free time. Read read read. I like reading. Meet meet meet. Nice to meet you. Leave leave leave. I have lived in Hanoi for 2 years. Province province province. I come from Nam Định province. District district district. I'm from Bắc Từ Liêm district. Ooh ooh ooh. Cook cook cook. I cook by myself every day. Full time full time full time. I have a full time full I have a full time job. Good good good. I- I'm good at speak English. Future future future. I want I want to be an engineer in the future. Introduct introduction introduction. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. Move move move. I move to Hanoi three years ago.